Well, let's move on now. The Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, IEBC, is being accused by the Code Coalition of frustrating the alliance's bid to file a petition against the election of Uhuru Kenyatta as President of Kenya. Court officials, led by senior counsels Mutula Kilonzo and James Orengo, claim the electoral body is withholding information that the aggrieved party wants to use in a petition. And as our senior reporter, Aaron Ocheng, reports, several letters to IEBC from Code have not been replied.
According to Ministers James Orengo and Mutula Kilonzo, who are appearing on behalf of CORD, several letters have been written to IEBC seeking access to election documents that would fast-track evidence gathering for their petition. But according to the team, IEBC has neither provided the information nor acknowledged receiving the letters. This, they say, is against the law and an indication that IEBC is frustrating their petition.
That information is not yet forthcoming. We have not been given any explanation, and the demand for that information has been made in accordance with Article 35 of the Constitution.
Addressing the media in Nairobi, the CORD Alliance revealed that even during the tallying process at the Bomas of Kenya, they raised certain concerns in writing, but none of the IEBC commissioners addressed their grievances.
From 34, 35 and 36, those should be accessible so that it could be seen clearly after that election that the process that took place is a proper process that has integrity.
They added that their petition is not yet time-barred, and they are in the process of gathering enough evidence for a strong case, and dismissed earlier reports that they were to file their petitions on Monday. The team also assured their supporters that they have a strong case against their opponents and nothing would bar them from seeking justice.
Anybody in our opposing team starting celebrations is in for a rude shock. We are going to do a good job, something that satisfies the Kenya population, that the days of rigging, the days of stealing elections or covering up are gone. That you can take to the bank.
And as CORD plans to challenge the election of Uhuru Kenyatta, the Supreme Court says it is ready to handle the presidential petition and assure the public that the Supreme Court judges are up to the task and will deliver the ruling within the stipulated timelines as per the Constitution.
The Supreme Court is a court for Kenyans, and it does not and will not reflect any ethnic, religious, region, generation bias in its decision, and will be guided by our Constitution and the law.
The media has also been invited to cover the petition proceedings and therefore guarantee full public participation in the hearing. The CORD coalition is kicking the ball back to IEBC in terms of filing their petition, and they're saying that IEBC has not furnished them with the information that they need and they are not cooperative. And they are saying this is against the law. Aaron Ocheng, KTN at the Serena Hotel.